Life is a precious gift. Every breath we take, every heartbeat, is a testament to the miracle of our existence. We often rush through our days, caught up in the hustle and bustle, forgetting to appreciate the simple yet profound beauty that surrounds us. Each moment is a miracle. The delicate dew on a flower petal, the gentle warmth of the morning sun, the graceful dance of a butterfly. These are the small wonders that make life extraordinary. Yet, in our busy lives, we often overlook these miracles, but often, we miss the beauty of now. We are so preoccupied with our past regrets and future anxieties that we fail to see the magic in the present moment. The serene stillness of a lake, the calming effect of nature, the simple act of walking through a forest. These are moments of pure joy that we let slip away. We get lost in thoughts of yesterday or worries about tomorrow. Our minds are constantly racing, filled with what-ifs and should-haves. We sit at our desks, staring at the clock, feeling the weight of time pressing down on us. We look out the window, lost in our thoughts, missing the beauty of the present. True happiness can't be found in the past or future. It is not hidden in the memories of yesterday or the dreams of tomorrow. It is here, right now, in this very moment. The peace of a quiet park, the gentle waves of a serene beach, the mindfulness of practicing yoga, these are the keys to unlocking true joy. It exists only in the present moment. When we gather with loved ones for a picnic, when we watch the sunset with friends, when we take a moment to simply be, these are the moments where true happiness resides. It is in these simple, present moments that we find our greatest joy. When we learn to quiet our minds and embrace the now, we unlock a world of peace and joy. Take a deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs, and let it remind you of the beauty of being alive. Meditation, mindfulness, and deep breathing are powerful tools that help us connect with the present moment. Feel the air fill your lungs. Let it cleanse your mind and soul. Inhale the freshness of the forest, the purity of the mountaintop air. Each breath is a reminder of the life force within us, a connection to the present moment. This is the power of now. The serene landscape, the peaceful smile, the quiet flow of the river. These are the manifestations of living in the present. Embrace the now and you will discover the true key to joy. Our minds are powerful tools. They have the capacity to create, to imagine, and to solve complex problems. They are the engines behind our greatest achievements and the source of our deepest insights. But they can also be our biggest obstacle to happiness. When we let our thoughts run unchecked, they can lead us down dark paths. We become entangled in a web of our own making where stress and worry dominate our mental landscape. We replay past hurts, clinging to anger and regret. These memories, though long gone, continue to haunt us, shaping our present and clouding our future. We find ourselves stuck in a loop, unable to move forward. We worry about the future, creating anxiety and fear. The unknown becomes a source of dread, and we spend countless hours imagining worst-case scenarios. This constant state of worry prevents us from enjoying the here and now. These thoughts keep us trapped in a cycle of suffering. We become so consumed by our mental chatter that we lose sight of the beauty and opportunities around us. Our minds become a prison, locking us away from the joys of life. We become prisoners of our own minds, unable to experience the freedom of the present moment. The weight of our thoughts holds us back, preventing us from living fully and authentically. It's time to break free from this mental prison. By becoming aware of our thoughts and learning to manage them, we can reclaim our peace and happiness. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools that can help us achieve this. We have the power to choose where we focus our attention. By directing our thoughts towards positivity and gratitude, we can transform our mental landscape. It's a journey that requires patience and practice, but the rewards are immense. Embrace the present moment, let go of past regrets, and release future anxieties. In doing so, we can find true freedom and joy. Eckhart Tolle, in his book The Power of Now, introduces us to the ego. The ego is the voice in our head that tells us who we are, based on our past experiences, thoughts, and emotions. It's a false sense of self that keeps us separate from others and the world around us. The ego thrives on negativity, feeding our fears and insecurities. To experience true happiness, we must learn to detach from the ego's grip. The past is gone. It's over. Holding on to it serves no purpose except to cause us pain. Forgive yourself for past mistakes. Let go of grudges. Embrace the lessons learned, but don't allow them to define your present or future. The past cannot hurt you unless you allow it to live on in your mind. It's time to release yourself from the weight of yesterday and step into the lightness of now. Section 5. Embrace this moment. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. We often find ourselves worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. But there's immense power in grounding ourselves in the present moment. The present moment is all we truly have. It's where life unfolds. Every breath we take, every heartbeat, every sensation we experience happens in the now. By embracing this moment, we open ourselves up to the richness of life. Pay attention to your senses. Notice the subtle details around you. Feel the texture of the leaves, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze that caresses your face. Listen to the symphony of sounds that nature offers, from the rustling of leaves to the chirping of birds. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? Engage with your environment fully. The vibrant colors, the intricate patterns, the delightful aromas, the diverse flavors, and the myriad of sensations are all gifts of the present moment. Engage fully in your current activity, whether it's work, spending time with loved ones, or simply enjoying a quiet moment alone. When you immerse yourself in what you're doing, you find a deeper connection and satisfaction. Work becomes more meaningful, relationships more fulfilling, and solitude more enriching. When your mind wanders to the past or future, gently guide it back to the present. It's natural for thoughts to drift, but with practice, you can train your mind to return to the now. Meditation, journaling, and mindful walks are excellent practices to anchor yourself in the present. This takes practice, but with each return, you strengthen your present moment muscle. Over time, you'll find it easier to stay grounded and appreciate the beauty of the here and now. Embrace this moment, for it is the only one that truly exists. Section 6. Finding stillness in a noisy world. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. We're constantly bombarded with information and stimulation. It's essential to carve out time for stillness and quiet reflection. Meditation is a powerful tool for calming the mind and connecting with the present moment. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing each day can make a world of difference. Section 7. The power of presence. When we're fully present, we show up more authentically in our relationships. We listen more deeply, communicate more effectively, and connect on a heart-to-heart level. Being present in our interactions allows us to experience the joy of true connection. We bring our full selves to every encounter, creating more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Section 8. Living a life of joy. Living in the now doesn't mean ignoring our responsibilities or neglecting to plan for the future. It simply means approaching life with a sense of presence and awareness. When we're not consumed by thoughts of the past or worries about the future, we're free to experience the joy in everyday moments. We appreciate the beauty around us, find gratitude in the little things, and live with a sense of peace and contentment. Section 9. Your journey to inner peace begins now. Start today. Embrace the power of now. Let go of what no longer serves you. Find stillness within. You deserve to experience the peace, joy, and fulfillment that comes from living in the present moment. The journey to inner peace begins with a single step: the decision to be present in this moment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our channel for more inspiring book summaries.